Let's learn more about the Package Manager. Navigate to the Package Manager, and here you will be able to see all the packages for the clipboards, microcontrollers, development boards, solutions, etc. You can search for any particular package in the search bar. After searching, you will be able to install the package by clicking on the Install button. Now you can basically filter the package as well. By pressing the filters, there is a package type, package status, and package category filters. Now let's search for the previously searched package. It is a clipboard, it is an LTE based clipboard, and here it is, LTE IoT 5 clipboard. You can install the filtered package right now. After installing, you can open the example by choosing a hardware setup. And here it is. Here is the complete package.